Hello, you. I just spit on myself. Hey, do you want a peanut? Is that why you're here? Have you heard of the peanut? The peanut. There you go. Good job. Hi, good morning. How you doing? You looking for one of these? Oh, trouble. Hi, buddy. There you go. Good job. Yeah. I've got another one. I've got one for you, too. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's just us. And a peanut. Gonna go over there and whiz a little bit. Okay. That's a newcomer for sure. So this is what I'm gonna do. See? Every time. It's like going fishing for squirrels with peanuts. Oh, it's exactly what it is. Oh, who do we have here? Hi, how you doing today? Who'd you come up here with? Y'all were like, hold. Good Lord. Cocktail. Always the first. Oh, grabby. Man. Hi. Would you like a peanut? You look like a little horse. Got a gallop. You do. It's cute. Galloper. Here, Gallop guy. Have a peanut.